Squid Game. Everybody is crazy about this series. Why not test your knowledge with the ultimate Squid Game quiz? The first question. Select an answer for it and it moves on to the next question. You can select all the answers, and once you click the last answer, it reveals all the answers. Now you can restart if you dare. Now the code. So at the bottom we've got button 15, which is the restart if you dare button, which leads back to screen 1. We've got all the buttons for the answers here, and we've got the sound playing in the background. Here is the design of the app for screen 1, screen 2, screen 3, screen 4, screen 5, screen 6, and the last screen, screen 7. That's how to make and play the ultimate Squid Game quiz.